you're walking through a construction site and a yellow four-legged robot casually strolls past you, scanning everything, ignoring humans like they're just part of the scenery. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Spot. Spot isn't just a robot, it's a revolution on four legs. Built by the absolute mad geniuses at Boston Dynamics, Spot is sleek, agile, and disturbingly self-sufficient. About the size of a golden retriever weighing 25 kilos of pure, I might steal your job energy, Spot can move through rough terrain, climb stairs, dodge obstacles, and basically live its best robot life, all without breaking a sweat. Spot's not here to be your new pet, it's here to work. Industrial inspections, easy, data collection, a breeze, emergency response, bring it on. With LiDAR sensors, 360-degree cameras, and the processing power of a mini supercomputer, Spot sees, thinks, and acts faster than most people at a coffee shop trying to find the Wi-Fi password. Quick flashback. Boston Dynamics was born in 1992 from MIT, basically nerd heaven. They started with military robots like Big Dog, the robot mule you never knew you needed, and moved on to nightmares like Cheetah, the sprinting machine, and Atlas, the parkour champion humanoid. Each creation was crazier than the last. Each one pushed robotics closer to, wait, should we be worried? Territory. And Spot? It's the most practical and most quietly terrifying. Here's where it gets wild. Spot doesn't just walk, it adapts in real time. Rocky ground? No problem. Wet, slippery stairs? Laughable. Rubble from a collapsed building? Just another Tuesday. It's packed with sensors that feed into AI systems so advanced, Spot can make decisions on the fly. Like, hey, that ground looks sketchy. Better adjust my gait. Meanwhile, humans are still tripping over invisible bumps. And it's not just remote control. Sure, you can pilot Spot with a tablet, but Spot can also roam autonomously, mapping new areas, avoiding danger, collecting data, and basically running solo missions like a tiny, polite Terminator. Spot's real-world takeover has already started. Construction, surveying sites, and keeping workers out of dangerous areas. Oil and gas, inspecting rigs in places where a human could get roasted. Healthcare, delivering supplies during pandemics. Public safety, entering hazardous zones after disasters. Spot doesn't just help, it replaces high-risk jobs. And here's the freaky part. Spot's learning. Every inspection, every mission, every jumpy little leg movement feeds back into smarter, faster future models. We're literally teaching the robots how to outclass us. Now let's talk future. Disaster zones, Spot squads, farming, robo-herds, personal butlers, Spot carrying your groceries while side-eyeing you with quiet judgment. But hold up, it's not all rainbows and robot hugs. Ethical questions, loading, job loss, oh, it's coming, privacy? Spot could map every inch of a facility faster than you can say corporate espionage. Autonomy? What happens when Spot doesn't need permission anymore? We're at the start of a revolution that could either save us or replace us, and Spot's just the beginning. The next time you see a yellow robot dog calmly walking by, remember, it's not confused, it's not lost, it's not looking for treats, it's working, it's learning, it's tech-rupting the future. Smash that like button if you'd let Spot deliver you pizza, subscribe for more wild tech chaos, and drop a comment. Would you adopt a robot dog that might secretly be smarter than you? Stay fast, stay fierce, stay Techrupt.